Problem with scanning a QR code? Here are several reasons why a QR code may not scan. Poor lighting conditions. Insufficient or uneven lighting can affect the visibility of the QR code, making it difficult for scanners to recognize. Incorrect scanning angle. QR codes need to be scanned from a straight angle. Tilting or angling the device too much can lead to scanning issues. Low contrast. Insufficient contrast between the QR code and its background can hinder scanning. Ensure there's enough contrast for clear recognition. Damage or distortion. Physical damage, smudging, or distortion of the QR code can hinder scanning. It's important to note that the device's camera needs to be in good working condition, and there should be adequate lighting for successful QR code scanning.